Culture Gaji, let's learn Irish. Is Misha Arj, agus topic na seachtain inniu, Bia agus Jo, food and drink. Agus showeed na Focail agus na Frásaí. A la carte menu. Biachlár a la carte, apple, dúil, bacon, Bagún, baked, Bácáilte, beans, Pónairí, beef, Mairteoil, beer, Beoir, Biscuit, Briosca, Blackberries, Sméara, black pudding, Putóg, boiled egg, bhruite, bowl, Babhla, bread, Arán, brown bread, Arán donn, butter, cheese, Cáis, chips, Sceallóga, cream, Uachtar, dessert, Milseog, drink, Deoch, fish, Iasc, fish fingers, Méara éisc, fruit, Torthaí. Have you a reservation? I heard to board in áirithe. I am really into dúil agame, ingredient, co-hour, table for two, board de verch. Are you interested in blank? Well, simagate blank. Are you really into blank? Well, do look at the food from blank is my favorite food. She bia de hudj blank, and bia is farlium. Blank is my favorite dish. She blank, and bela is farlium. I'm really into, or I'm a blank enthusiast. Tam a blank. I like sharing dishes. Is mylum bailey a wrench. I often, or usually, make blank for blank. Is gralium blank, a olwu done blank. Beidir Junior. Biggie Parcha Harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.